Mike Bills will lead lap number 1.
First time here in quite a while for the phenom of Dylan Dewart out of Corning, New York. He's up to 4th now as Lawson gets by. Here goes Billy the Kid Van Pelt. He gets by the Harrington Motorsports number 1 for the lead.
Costa's going to work on Lawson now for that 2nd spot. Up to the top.
Side by side in turn 1. Lawson had the momentum in turn 2, and now Costa to the top side in 3 and 4. Off of turn number 4, give the 2nd spot to Costa here on lap number 9. 2 car lengths of difference with 2 laps to go. Can Costa close in and pass Van Pelt? He's going to make a bid side by side for the race lead off of turn 4. Costa nearly kisses the checkered flag there as he wants to try to get this one. Final trip through 3 and 4. Costa's going to flirt it down low. Side by side for the race lead off of turn 4. It's going to be too close to call. Who's got it? Man, what a heck of a race you put on here tonight.
Yeah, the track's fast tonight. They put a lot of moisture in this track, and it really shows. It's fast all over.
Ladies and gentlemen, Cory Costa picking up the win here in the Insinger Performance Modified.
I think Weldey'd like to try to move out to the outside, but he doesn't dare. Whoa!
Oh, my Lord! I hope that was on replay. Peoples now is going to go to the outside. It's going to be a 3-car battle for the race lead here in the final lap. Peoples up to the top side by side for the race lead into turn 1. Peoples up top, Morseman down low, and now Welty's going to join that battle. Final trip through 3 and 4. Peoples all the way to the cushion. Morseman on the bottom. Off of turn 4. It's going to be, ladies and gentlemen, Kenny Peoples Jr.
I watched the 2-car many nights here. You don't show them until you got it to the end.
Yes.
I kept putting that back in my head. I went up here a couple times, and I thought I was going to roll her here. Dale got sideways, and I just wheel hopped him. I didn't have nowhere to go, and it was fun. I ain't really sure. I went up there, and it grabbed on the last lap. I thought I was going to Hedgesville, but the berm caught me. Thankfully.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kenny Peoples Jr. picking up the win.
Are you looking for one place to get all of your racing news? Look no further than Race Pro Weekly. Whether it be dirt or asphalt, columns, articles, photos, or even videos, you can catch it all at raceproweekly.com. That's raceproweekly.com.